Hi guys. So I've been sick, so sorry if I've been coughing, because I'm just getting better. And I'm sorry I haven't uploaded a video that much, because I just told you I've been sick. But in this video today, we're going to be doing my squishy, every squishy that I got. So and make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, and comment down below. Hashtag Panda Corn or Awesome Squad. So let's get on to the video. So the first squishy I have is this marshmallow. Bad lighting, I'm gonna move you over here where there's more. Okay, so I've got this marshmallow, super slow rising. Next I've got this little bread with this hard eyes, and this weird face, and it has green crust. It's not super slow rising, but it's slow rising. Wait, I'm going to show those ones in this last. So this one is a hamburger. It has like the squishy frosting on it with this face. Squishy. Slow rising. So my next one, even though it's not slow rising, I really like it. Has this really cool texture and it's super squishy. So it's this dumpling, and I love dumplings, so that's good. My next one is the strawberry, and this one's super slow rising. So there's one that's really slow rising, guys. So this one I got from Dunkin', but it's not really like my face is caught. It's not really like squishy that you would think of, but it has this cool squishy texture and it has cloud inside it, I'm pretty sure. Wait till another video and I'll be cutting this open. So my next one is this like little macaroon with a cloud. Well, actually, comment down below what you guys think of this is, because I have no idea what it is. But it has a cloud with frosting, I think, and it's super fun, squishy, and it's slow rising. So this one is amazing. It's like a little pink bear, and this one's super squishy. Like, watch me do it super light. I'm not even pressing down on it. But, like, it's so soft and squishy, and I really like it. So the other one's similar to that one is, let's try here. But it's not like, it's just the same color. But I'm going to show you something. Look, both their face look the same. Comment down below why you think that. But it has this chain on it because I put it on there. So rising. The next one is this little cookie that's taking a bite out of it. Now this one I got from a yard sale in a pack. I'll tell you the ones that I got from a yard sale. This one isn't so rising. Hello Kitty. I don't really like Hello Kitty, but it has pink crust, so I love pink. That's my favorite color, if you guys don't already know. And this one I got from a blind bag. It's not that slow rising, but it is. It squishes so nicely. And then the next one I have is Zoodoma. It's super slow rising. And the next one we have is this super cute macaroon I got from another blind bag, like the panda one I got. Now my next one is the candy one. And my next one is it's a bear. Now my next one is macaroon. So it was originally on a stack, but they kept on tearing apart. So I'm like, before like they tear apart their shelves, and I just ripped them apart because I didn't want them to get damaged anymore. So you'll see the other ones on this one. The next one is this Panda. It's raisin and stuff. Next one is the paw print. Super cute. Yeah. Tofu. Now my next one, this was my first squishy ever. A friend gave it to me. And it's really old and stuff, so I don't know if you can get it. But it's really old, but it's still squishy. Now my next one, so cute. It's a pom. Now my next one is this little slice of bread. Sorry guys. So, right now I'm going to show this. So, next is this super soft one. English Liz. The next one is this like calf. Here, I'm probably going to move this box up here so you can see it better. Another loaf of bread, just in blue. Not so rising, but it has a really good texture. Is a banana from Justice that like I was just squishing it and doing this because I don't do it anymore, but then I was doing that and then the chain fell off and this fell off, so I had to tape this stem back. But it still has a really good texture. So the next one is one of my favorites. It's just hard because if you feel like it's going to be hard, but then you squish it and it's super soft. So it feels super good. Now this next one I got from the yard sale too. It's not so rising, but it's super squishy. Now my next one is this Hello Kitty. I told you I don't like squishies, but me and my friend Kennedy, hey, if you're watching, we split it a box, and we just started grabbing squishies. So this is one that I ended up with. It was from the yard sale, by the way. The next one is super cute, super soft, but it's not from the yard sale. It's not so rivaling either, but it has a really good shape. The next one is Bali. Next one is the other macaroon in the stack. But there's one more. I have no clue where that one is. But wait, I'll be right back. So I thought this question would be over there, but it's not. But it was a purple macaroon. So now the moment you've been waiting for. I'm pretty sure if you all have a squishy collection, you usually all have a panda bun. It doesn't have to be this size, but it's you probably always have a panda bun of any size, but it's so squishy, and I love pandas. That's my favorite. If you've been on my channel so much, then you know pandas, or my favorite animal, pandas and unicorns. So this goes great with my theme. Now the next one is huge. I just recently got it. Scented lemon. It smells so good and so soft and squishy. Now, this is from the Smushy Mushy series. So the first ever Smushy Mushy I got was from this blind bag, and it's super rare. I'm so glad I got it for my first Smushy Mushy. It's small. Now, the ones that I got yesterday, I'll show you their best. So the best friends first is this and this one. So I got 2 packs. And go comment down below in 10 seconds which big sister they have. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well, we're done now. I'm going to show you which big sister. So this one goes to this one. This little like peach. And it is super soft and it's like sandster and it has this really nice texture. Another one is a little poodle. Really so rising and soft. So I sorry, my voice. I'm like sound like I'm losing my voice, but I'm not. But that's all for today's video. So make sure to like and subscribe. I will be editing this tonight, so you'll probably either see this tomorrow or tonight. And so I'm going to shoot another video on. I'll just tell you what the video is about, just because I wanted to tell you. So tomorrow I'll be shooting a room tour, and soon I'll be shooting. So I actually know what I'm shooting. It's gonna be super duper cool, and I thought this was gonna be amazing. And so see y'all next time. Bye. Apparently this does not